Okay, this is the format or the example of production cost report. It is a document used in process costing system that summarizes the information about the flow of units and cost through the work in process account of a processing department. It is equal to the job cost sheet prepared in a job order costing system. Do you still remember? But in process costing, a separate cost of production cost report is prepared for each processing department. The cost of production report is considered a key management document because it provides manager with the following crucial information about production and cost of a processing department. Okay, a production cost report consists of the following three sections or parts, right? Okay. The first part is quantity schedule section. Okay. Quantity schedule section. And then the second part is cost per equivalent unit. Right? And the lastly is cost reconciliation part or section. Right? We will go through one by one. Okay, for the first section, okay, quantity schedule. This section summarizes the flow of physical units through the relevant processing department, right? This is our step for process costing. The physical flow. And then in this section also shows the equivalent unit for material and conversion cost. This is the second step. Right? Finish unit and transferred out plus ending work in process, the percentage of completion of any units in work in process, okay, also shown in this section. So this one, the percentage completed for ending work in process. Okay, the quantity schedule also guides in preparing the other two section of the cost of production report. And then the second section, cost per equivalent unit. Okay, in this section, the cost per equivalent unit is compute. The cost of per equivalent unit compute. This is the third step. Right? Under weighted average method, it is done by dividing the total beginning inventory cost and cost added during the period by the equivalent unit of production compute under weighted average method. Okay? Beginning work in process cost at current cost, and then the total cost will divide by the total equivalent unit. Right? And the last section is cost reconciliation. Okay, in this section we will compute finished unit and transferred out cost. This is the formula or step, and the last step we compute ending work in process. Okay. The same thing but in different presentation.